We are ready.
Okay.
Do it again.
That's great.
Ladies and gentlemen, you'll notice that the lady blowing the whistle emerges live for this demonstration.
That's great. That really gives you a resonance. Yeah.
So it's down to about 45 pounds from
Okay.
80
From
with those
80
two
to
big
45.
blasts.
Yeah, from those two big blasts.
Yeah, it's more than enough to run it.
That's great.
More than enough. I've got to be convoluted and go both to this way and to this way.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
So there's some pretty intricate little
Is
piece
it like
of
a
casting.
baffle inside there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Separates
It's got to be
Yeah.
split.
Yes.